Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some advanced Tonfa moves. So let's do this. What I suggest if you're practicing Tonfa, best thing to do is to get a clothes that doesn't have long sleeves because it's going to get stuck and you don't want that. Next thing, we're going to do simple punches that we have done before. So you can do an uppercut like this, up with this part of Tonfa. You can also do that to just a punch, so not like up, but like straight punch. You can turn the Tonfa and do another straight punch, so that goes like this. And you can use this part of the Tonfa to do a side hooking punch. So that looks like this. The other one that you can do with a hook is this angle, so you can do that both sides. So we're gonna practice these punches first. Upper cut, side cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Side. 1. Again. Have a little movement with it. Full body. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. When you are punching with the Tonfa, make sure that the other arm is up. Just like with real life boxing moves, when you do one technique, the other one should be up. So you do that, but other arm is up. So when you're doing any type of movement, make sure the other one is up. It's guarding, okay? So don't just leave it like this. This is your guard. Next up, we're gonna practice a basic twist. So I'm gonna go up and back. So this is one twist, and when you move it full circle, it's a 360. So 1. What we can do now is use this basic twist and put it near our waist or hips. I'm putting it near my waist because I think that's a good thing. Make sure that you don't hit yourself with the end. You have to find a way here where your rib cage is to lift up the Tonfa and hold it here. So this is a strike that ends here when you're gripping. Okay, so strike, hold it, and can come back. So 1 and 2 at the same time. This is a very strong technique because you come like this and then you come back. Again, 1, 2. Make sure that you're not hitting yourself here. Again, you can still hit yourself technically here, but not your back. So that's good because this thing doesn't work like that, okay? So you don't worry about that, but be careful, okay? So 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. You can put a little movement. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. One more. 2, 1, 2. Now you can do this at the same time. So 1, 2. Try and let the Tonfas go. Go, go, go. Like this. One arm up, one arm down. And then twist them back. This looks like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. You can do the other way around. So right hand up, left hand down. You twist the Tonfa, twist, 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 hold it, and then twist them back and get back. Make sure that one arm is above the other, okay? So it doesn't matter which one, whichever works for you. First practice that, and then you practice with alternating arms. So see, now left is up, back, right is up, back. And you can just do this and try to have a feel for it and try to make sure that when you do the strike, you're actually striking, okay? So this is a strike both sides. Now that we've been doing the horizontal strikes like this, we're gonna do a vertical strike like this. The vertical strikes you can use still, we're doing both hands, okay? So 1, 2, this is a strike. It's up, it goes back. If you do the full circle like this, that's a full strike. Now we can do both. So I'm gonna do 1 and another one, okay? So again, 1, very good, other one. Now we can do it backwards, right? So back, back. This is also a very good technique when you're doing front, back. This is just one turn, but if you do the full circle, that's different. So again, 1 and back. One more. So you from the side, 1, and then I'm gonna twist it again, and then back. So 1, 2, and back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next thing that we are going to do is a little bit different. We're not having the tonfa now aligned with the forearm. What we're gonna do is put the tonfa inside, like this. So we had it before like this, and now put this one here. This comes out in this area. So if you have the tonfa like this, you're not going to use it because you hit yourself. But if you put it here, you're not gonna hit yourself. You're doing the tonfa like this, you're not hitting yourself. If you are like this, you're probably going to hit yourself. Like, this is not good. How you can avoid this if you put the tonfa inside here. So again, turn the tonfas and put them inside. And then strike. Put the tonfa inside, strike. One more time. 1, and back, 2, and back. And you can get back. So this is another technique that you can do. 1, 2, 3. Again, inside, strike, turn, 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 get back to a guarding technique, and do the punches. 1, guard, punch, punch. You can do anything as long as you are leaving it out and you're back to a guarding block. You can start doing any type of technique. So you have seen that this inner part can go out like this. It can also go out like this. So if you open your body and if you open your arm, then you can find the direction. I can do it to the front, and to here, going out. This is not very good, so don't really go out like this. Use something else, like have somebody side, use this technique rather than trying to go from here. This is very good. You want to go forward like this or to the side. It's very good also. You're gonna practice double out. So this is a full 360 out. 1. Again, you get the tonfas out, let the grip go, let them turn, twist, get the grip, and go back. So this is like full circle attack. Very difficult to hold on to the grip at the end, because if you're doing like a really good full circle, you have to find a way that you hold the grip again on the tonfa to get back to this position. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now to the other direction. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Now we've done the horizontal moves, we've done some vertical moves. Now we're gonna do some side moves. So this angle, this is like this, comes out. This is similar when you have it comes out like this, but now you come out like that. when you're twisting the tonfa out from here, you're basically activating this part of your arm, so the biceps. This time is mostly the outer part and also the tricep. You should feel how it feels in your body and what's the difference. So try to find which one feels better. So these are all different moves, different techniques, and the strength and the power is different when I do this. This is really powerful move. This one is a quicker move. It's not as powerful as the other one. When you do uppercut like this, that's different when you do from the top down. They are both very good. It comes like this, it comes like that, but you are using different muscles. When I do the up down, I mainly use this part of my arm. If I go from the top to the bottom, I use this part. We are using both because this is good to improve your muscles, your speed, and mostly your coordination, because you are doing two things at the same time and you have to do them at the same speed. So this is a very good exercise. It helps your muscles and your brain a lot. I really like doing the tonfas. This was your advanced lesson, and we're gonna keep doing some other advanced moves. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos about Taekwondo, martial arts, Tonfa, at-home workout, stretches, and some other fun things that we are doing here. So I hope to see you again, and let's practice at home as much as possible and keep on going. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!